Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Okay, before starting our topic, okay, first you will to register your account using this my NMX Exchange referral link. Okay, you will find into the description of this video this referral link. Okay, and also you will register your account using this my Binance Exchange referral link, so you will get team bonus and you will get 10% bonus and transaction fee discount. Okay, when you will register this Binance, and when you will register Nominex Exchange, you will get automatically team bonus and added into my team, and 45% bonus, direct bonus, binary bonus, team reward bonus. There are multiple bonuses in this exchange. Okay, just click here. After clicking, and it will open. Okay, and type your email here. Okay, choose password, and this is my referral code. Okay, 85384. You can also type here manually or click you. Use this referral code to register your account. And second one is Binance. Okay, it's also beneficial for withdrawals, cashouts, transactions. Okay, okay, after clicking here, and it will open in this way, and this is my referral code. As you will see here, it's automatic filled here, and here is typing. That's what your commission kickback rate is 10%. Okay, you will get 10% bonus. Okay, both referral links you will find into the description of this video. Okay, today I am showing you how to reinvest your daily profits or claims and rewards. Okay, you can also reinvest your daily profits onto NMX. Okay, Nominex Exchange. You can reinvest your NMX tokens. See how to do this. Okay, after logging your Nominex Exchange account, okay, as you will see here, click here. When you hover the mouse, here is 4 options: My NMX, liquidity pools, personal farming, team farming. In this case, I am okay First I want to show you before reinvest, okay, balance is what, and after reinvest balance is what. Okay, this is my referral account. See, before investment the balance is what. For checking your previous staking amount, just click here, liquidity pools. After clicking liquidity pools, here is showing you, okay, this amount 92.73. okay, but this amount showing you the difference into the previous. Why? Because NMX price is increasing. At that time it's staking NMX price is 4 point something, now it's 5.5. okay. Oh, you want to see the actual amount you staked at that time. Okay, for you want to see actual amount, just click here personal farming. After clicking personal farming, okay, now click here upgrade level. When you are clicking here, your actual amount is this 87.7. as you will see here, add 13 USDT to liquidity pools. Okay, the actual amount is what, 87.7. okay, now you want to reinvest. Okay, for reinvesting, click here personal farming. After clicking here personal farming, this screen will appear. Here is two options. Either you want to claim NMX, okay, for cash, or either you want to reinvest. In this case I want to reinvest. As you will see here, here is 0.5 NMX equal to 2.7 USD. okay, now click here to reinvest. I have already connected the Metamask. As you will see here, it's connected. okay, in previous videos I have already told you how to, okay, create your Metamask and how to connect successful. okay, you will find into the description of this video, okay, how to create your Metamask wallet and to connect it successfully. Now click here to reinvest NMX. okay, click here. After clicking, as you will see here, it's showing you 0.5 NMX equal to 2.78 USDT. Holder bonus will not be recalculated. Your pool rate, okay, 0.049105 NMX per day, 0.05. okay, before your pool rate is this, and after, okay, you will to add this amount, and your daily NMX earning or pool rate is this 0.05. as you will see here, check your pool rate. Your pool rate is 0.04, as you will see here. okay, and after adding this amount, okay, your pool rate is changed. External crypto wallet $2 and unclaimed 0.5. okay, 2.7 is your external crypto wallet, as you will see here, and unclaimed NMX 0.5. just click here to approve it. okay, and your pool rate will increase after staking or reinvesting this amount. Okay, click here to approve it. My external crypto wallet is 2.7 as you will see here. Okay, and this balance equal to this. Just click here to reinvest. Okay, this is my external crypto wallet 2.91 USD, and here is I want to reinvest. Okay, click here to reinvest and click here approve it. Okay, it's connecting, and transaction fee is 0.09. Click here to confirm. Okay, click here again here approve. Click here to sign in. Okay, again click here to sign in. Okay, click here to reinvest after approving. Okay, and click here to confirm it. Okay, you must check gas fee. As you will see here, 0.5 NMX reinvested successfully. Now my unclaimed rewards is 0, as you will see here. Okay, before that it's 2 point something, now it's 0, and my external crypto wallet is 0.13 and 0.000863 NMX. Now check your list balance. Click here. As you will see here, it's showing now 93.34 USDT, and now it's had 7 USDT to liquidity pool and stake received pool tokens NMX for partner package. If this referral adds more 7 USDT, okay, to get partner, okay, level partner package. Before that it's showing less than that amount. As you will see here, here is showing 98.2. Why? Because it's token price according to NMX token price. Now click here my status. and everything is going well. Okay, and click here liquidity pools. Okay, here is also everything is going well. Now its USD balance is 49.14 and NMX is 8.9. Okay, personal farming. Okay, everything is going well. Now it's holder bonus 20%. Stake 6 days more to increase your pool rate in the bonus pool on 50%. Okay, if 6 days more staking, it will reach 50%. Pool rate is this. Now my pool rate is 0.05. Before that it's 0.04. We changed. I hope you will understand how to reinvest your daily profits or earnings on NMX Exchange of this stacking project. Okay, thanks.